Hey, why are you zooming? See, it jerks. Burn also.
Hey, Mama, will be cleared in DI.
And what about jerks?
That much is okay.
Your marks will be cut, huh? And what is this? Camera is on static for 3 minutes? Feel like DOP is gone for tea.
This type of angle may be there.
You are directing such a poor short film. What are you doing?
Mama, judges will decide it.
What a beautiful quarrel. Best. Felt good.
Hey, no dispute. It is artistic conversation, isn't it?
Auntie, we are quarreling in better way.
Okay.
And it's like hush quarreling.
Hey Shante, will you make tea or not? Huh? Or you are just going to chit chat, huh?
No. Today is her round for tea making. But now I will make tea for you. Why? Why not? How happy we feel when preparing for own people. That I only know in this home. Tummy.
I saw a dream, colorful dream. I saw a dream, it was colorful dream, but I didn't realize it was beautiful.
Hey, is everything fine?
I am okay.
I'm asking about Medha.
Human nature. What else? I said poor to her short film, so she is angry.
Anyway, I feel very happy to see your artistic quarrels. That Shanta, who used to weep keeping head on my shoulder, is now thinking about career. And I am as it is.
Did Deshpande said anything?
No, not. His silence is the problem. Only shakes his head. Gubbu, 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 gubbu. We can't understand if he is saying yes or no.
Ruxana's new home is under construction. Any problem there?
No, not like that.
But something is there.
Have a tea.
Thank you.
Tell auntie. Share with me at least.
Actually, you both are responsible.
You feeling bad with full stomach? Hey, you are just returned from Singapore. We even not had been there in Singapore.
I booked 2 tickets and gave it to Deshpande so that he can go for bidding survey to Singapore. I proudly told this to all my friends. Enjoyed the trip a lot. And when I returned from there, you went to Goa.
Yes, there was a debate conference.
You went there as Neeta Mane. And me as Deshpande's wife. What was my existence? All joy of Singapore trip was over. Let it be. What can be done?
Got it. Come, will you act in my new drama? Your frustration will go away.
Best idea.
Done. Then come tomorrow for practice 6 to 8.
But 6:30 is Bunty's class time.
Then 7 to 8.
No, I have to pick up him at 7:30.
8 to 9.
8 o'clock is Pinky's dance class.
Okay. Will you come on Monday? Entire day practice. There is only 5 minutes rule. Okay.
Hey, on Sunday, Deshpande is at home. We get only 1 day to spend together. Otherwise, entire week he is with cement, bricks and stones.
Answer is hidden in your question only. If you want the sky, have to cross the threshold.
Hey, then what I should do? Oh, it's 6:30. Bunty's class time. I'm leaving. Bye.
Why are you laughing?
Hey, how did she ran away? After seeing it, why shouldn't I laugh?
Are you teasing auntie? What a satisfaction in that. She is ordinary woman. You're supposed to show it.
Everyone must be at his own place. This I want to say.
If it is so, then why Shanta changed her place? What the reason?
Basically, it was kept at wrong position.
And who is he? Whether he is playing a double game.
I have the same question. Making cereal didn't told me.
Are you going to Mauritius? You didn't tell me.
I was about to tell after confirmation of tickets.
I am leaving the serial. You are participating in Mauritius Drama Festival, but not given serial proposal. Something is fishy. Then come to know about national competition. 20 lakhs for final? I also sent application for the same.
Same thing will happen there. I'm first. And you...
I have to break this vicious circle. This is last battle. Now, once for all.
How the news will be there in paper? You have to see tomorrow's newspaper.
Shit. Call is not connecting.
The result would have been finalized by 3 to 3:30. All where must be slept.
Mama, Mr. Khedkar has told me to call in morning.
He tells such to everybody. And Shekhar is there.
He is also not alert. Can't he call me?
Hey, there may not be range. When he will be in range, he will call. Why you are in tension? Your Natya Shilpa is going to Delhi finals.
If anyone will not come in between, and I'm not confident about it.
Two will go for finals. Your Natya Shilpa is there. See, Shekhar is calling.
Came? Hello? Hello?
I saw a dream. I saw a dream. Colorful dream. I saw a dream. It was colorful dream, but I didn't realize it was beautiful. But I didn't realize it was beautiful. Didn't care the world while running crazy. Didn't care the world while running crazy. Mesmerized by them, it was wonderful. It was